Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the 400 batch request error that appears when running sudo apt update or sudo apt upgrade on Ubuntu. The error usually looks something like this: failed to fetch or 400 batch request. In my case, the problem was not related to the package itself. The issue was caused by Ubuntu repositories using HTTP instead of HTTPS. To fix it, open the Ubuntu sources file with this command. Then change the repository URLs from HTTP to HTTPS. After saving the file, clear the apt cache with these commands. Finally run sudo apt update. And the problem should be resolved. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Linux and programming tutorials. Thanks for watching.